Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. In this video we're going to solve a functional equation. We are given f of x times f of 1 over x equals f of x plus f of 1 over x. F is a polynomial and f of 2 equals 33. In this video we're going to find f of x. In the first step, we multiply f of x minus 1 by f of 1 over x minus 1. The product of these two parentheses is going to be f of x times f of 1 over x minus f of x minus f of 1 over x plus 1. From this equation, we can say f of x times f1 over x equals f of x plus f of 1 over x. And these two terms with minus f of x minus f of 1 over x is going to be 0, and we're going to get 1. Now we want to introduce a function q of x, and we want to put a q of x equals f of x minus 1. So this equation becomes q of x times q of 1 over x equals 1. F of x is a polynomial, so we can say q of x also is a polynomial, and we can write q of x equals a0 plus a1x plus a2 times x to the power 2 up to an times x to the power n. Notice that an cannot be equals to 0, but a0, a1, a2 up to an minus 1 can be every value. If we replace x by 1 over x, we're going to get q of 1 over x equals a0 plus a1 times 1 over x up to an times 1 over x to the power n. We want to multiply both sides of this equation by x to the power n. So we're going to get this expression. If we multiply this equation by x to the power n, we can see q of x times x to the power n times q of 1 over x equals to x to the power n. So we can say the product of these two polynomials is equal to x to the power n. If we multiply these two parentheses, we're going to get many terms. But notice that on the right hand side we have one terms and we have x to the power n. So we can say all on the left hand side, all term on the left hand side that they have x to the power k, and k is less than n. The coefficient of these terms is equal to 0. Or we can say for k that k is less than n, the coefficient ak is equal to 0. So we can say a0, a1 up to n minus 1 is equal to 0, and we have only one coefficient. So this equation is going to be q of x equals a times x to the power n. Now we need to find a and n. We can use this equation q of x times q of 1 over x equals 1. If we replace x by 1, we're going to get q of 1 times q of 1 equals 1, or q of 1 to the power 2 equals 1. We need to raise both sides of this equation to the power 2, so we're going to get q of x to the power 2 equals a squared times x to the power 2 times n. If we replace x by 1 in this equation, we're going to get q of 1 to the power 2 equals a squared. A squared equals to 1, and a is going to be plus minus 1. So q of x equals plus minus times x to the power n, and f of x is equal to 1 plus minus x to the power n. Now we need to find the value of n. We have f of 2 equal 33, and if we replace x by 2 in this equation, we're going to get 33 equals 1 plus minus 2 to the power n. By moving 1 to left hand side, we're going to get 32 equals plus minus 2 to the power n. We have two equations, and 32 equals 2 to the power n. As you know, 32 equals to 2 to the power 5, and n is going to be 5. This equation has no solution, and the only value of n is 5. So we're going to get f of x equals 1 plus x to the power 5. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment.